guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the super easy lemon pepper chicken recipe to make at home in the oven. Now furthermore to do, let's get started. The stuff that you're going to need to make the lemon pepper chicken is some rosemary, some salt, some paprika, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, oregano, vegetable oil, a lemon, and of course your chicken. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be to marinate the chicken, and for that you're going to be needing some rosemary, some oregano, some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, some salt, black pepper, and your paprika. And everything is about half a tablespoon. Now we're going to start mixing all the spices up. So now I've transferred the spices into a bowl, and I'm going to be pouring in the lemon juice from the lemon. And we're also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to be taking my whisk and mixing up the stuff that I want. And make sure to mix it slowly. Now let's leave this off to the side. And I just wanted to show you that I have 2 large chicken breasts, which I'm going to be using for this. So now I'm going to be taking this mixture and I'm going to be pouring it onto my chicken breast. And I'm going to layer it on it very nicely. And you're going to have to make sure to do both sides so that it turns really good. Now I have marinated the chicken, and I'm going to be transferring it into my baking tray, which I wrapped in some foil so that the chicken doesn't stick. Now I'm going to be transferring it. I also added some lemon slices, and now we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Now it's time to bake. We're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 18 minutes. This is what the chicken is supposed to look like inside. Now we're going to wait for 18 minutes. Bake this for 18 minutes, and we broiled it for 1 minute. It looks so amazing. This is how it looks after I cut it, and now let's try a piece. This looks so amazing.